Welcome to the Outdoor Adventure Center's top 5 do-it-yourself outdoor experiences in Columbus, Ohio. First up is Alum Creek State Park. Alum Creek is a great location for mountain biking, hiking, kayaking, and canoeing. It's a huge place with lots to explore. Second is the Patel Darby Metro Park, which encompasses hundreds of acres of lush forests, wetlands, and a chance to see bison, and an exciting network of trails. Next up is High Banks Metro Park. This park offers beautiful wooded trails and pockets of green space for everything, including picnicking. You may even see an eagle during your visit. Fourth is the Westone Park of Roses. Whetstone has incredible rose gardens, an arboretum, and is a perfect spot for slacklining, frisbee, and hammocking. Wrapping up our top 5 is Wahala Ravine. Offering space for walking, running, or just a great drive, the ravine is a great escape from the city. The area has many trees, wildflowers, and a beautiful creek throughout. These are just our top 5. There's a whole lot to see and explore here in Columbus, even while practicing physical distancing. Hope to see you out there.